You could make your own drywall patch or purchase a prefabricated mesh patch. For the blowout patch, cut a square hole. It is ready for its finished coat. Practice makes perfect. Don't cut too precisely. Give yourself a little room for rough edges. Put the pins into place. You may need to tap them into position with a hammer. I always start at the top. Open and shut the door a couple of times to make sure that it is operating correctly. The last step is to clean the door and the jamb to remove any fingerprints. After the toilet tank fills, flush the toilet and check for leaks. Check the base of the toilet, both ends of the supply line, and the tank bolts between the tank and the bowl. The last step is to inspect and make sure the inside and outside of the toilet are clean, and then you're done.